Unit price. A unit price is a unit rate, so still a ratio, with money. It tells you how much something costs per unit. You can use unit price to compare items and see which one is a better buy. The item with the lower unit price is the better buy. Let's look at an example. Find the unit price to the nearest cent and tell which item is the better buy. A jar of pickles, which costs $1.89 for 32 ounces, or a jar which is 89 cents for 18 ounces. We'll need to compare the unit price for each one. So for the first jar, we'll set it up as a ratio, $1.89 for 32 ounces. And we have to do long division. So we need to do 32 into 1.89. There's no decimal in the divisor, so your decimal needs to go straight up. Then you're ready to divide. 32 into 18, it won't go, so put a 0. 32 into 189 will go 5 times. Multiply back. 5 times 32 is 160. Subtract. And we'll go one more place. Let's add a 0 and bring it down. And we'll do 32 into 290. This will go 9 times. 9 times 32 is 288. We're going to leave it sitting there in case we need to go out another place. When we compare, we just need to see a difference in one digit. Now let's do the other jar, which is 89 cents for 18 ounces. So first we'll write it as a ratio, 89 for 18 ounces. We have to go with long division, so we're doing 18 into 0.89. There's no decimal in the divisor, so your decimal goes straight up. And we'll divide 18 into 8. It won't go. We have to put a 0. 18 into 89 will go 4 times. Multiply back. 4 times 18 gives us 72. Subtract. And we'll add one more 0. Bring it down. 18 into 170 goes 9, and 9 times 18 is 162. Now we'll compare the two unit prices to see which is the better buy. For the 32 ounce, it is 0.059 per ounce, and for the 18 ounce, it is 0.049 per ounce. The lower unit price is the better buy. So the 18 ounce one is the better buy. Now we will get the unit price to the nearest cent, which they ask us to do. You always want to compare before you do the rounding. So for the first one, the 32 ounce, to go to the nearest cent, the cent is the hundredths place. So the 5 is in the cent place. You look at the digit right after. So the 9 is going to push it up. So to the nearest cent, this will go to 6 cents. So 0.06 cents per ounce. For the 18 ounce jar, the 4 is in the cent place. So we look one digit to the right. A 9 will push it up. So we'll have 5 cents per ounce, or 0.05 cents per ounce. Some stores calculate the unit price for you and put it on little tags right below the items. Look for that when you go in a store again. I know I've seen it in Publix and also in Walmart. So check that out and see if they have the unit price in the store where you shop. It's still nice to be able to calculate it yourself and understand what it means so that you can tell, even if it is calculated, which one is the better buy.